Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python print method to print objects. So first of all, coming to the print method. So in Python, we use print function or print method to print data, text, message, or any value, etc. on the output screen. So output screen means console. And technically in Python, every data is an object. So whatever the data we used, it is an object in Python. For example, 10 integer value, 10.5 floating or real value, true, false, boolean value, character A, string hello. Everything is an object. Okay. And in Python, if we take a single character, okay, in double quotes or single quotes, it is a string, but it is not a character. Okay, so single character is also a string in Python, but it is not a single character. Okay, right. So for example, if I take A10, so in memory, A will be pointing to a value 10. Okay, so A is like a reference variable, or it is like a object A. Okay, if I take B 20, so in memory B is a reference to 20. So 20 is a value to which B is pointing to. So for example, if I take C, again 20. So for C, a new memory is not allocated. So C will be using existing value, which is 20. Okay, right? And then if I say something like C is equals to C plus 10, so C will become 30. So now in memory, so C is a reference to 30. Now C is not a reference to 20, it is a reference to 30. So like this, in Python, everything is an object. Okay, and for this object, whatever the variables we take to store the data of a particular value, so that becomes a object reference variable or simply a reference variable. Right, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python print function objects example1.py. So first take a new page and comments at the beginning of the program using hash. So I'm taking A10, B20. So print A, print ID of A, print B, print ID of B. So let us execute till here. So we can put multi-line comments using triple single quotes opening, triple single quotes closing. Right, so save this program, come to the command prompt. Okay, so py python print function objects example 1. So a value is 10. So a is referring to this particular address in the memory. Okay, so in this particular address we have a value 10. Similarly, b value is 20. So b is referring to this address in the memory whose value is 20. Right, so for example, if I again take c is equals to 20. Okay, right, so I will say here print c and then id of c. Id means unique identification given for a particular variable in memory. So c value is 20. So C value address is this one. It is same as that of the B value address. So in memory, C and B both are pointing to the same address memory location whose value is 20. Okay, right? So it goes like this. B memory address value 20, and C is also pointing to the same memory address whose value is 20. Okay, right? So I can also do it like this. C assigned with B. So in this case also, okay, both B and C will be referring to the same address, 138.523.668.7700 BC, and whose value is 20. So both are sharing same common memory location whose value is 20. Okay, right? So next we can also take true, false. So true, false are Boolean values. Okay, so these are also considered to be objects. So these are temporary Boolean values because we are not storing them in the variables. Okay, similarly I can also take character A. See, though we take character A, internally it is a string. Similarly, hello string. So in Python, we don't have the concept of character value. So character is also a string. So this is string A, string hello, and finally string end of the program. So space is also one character in a string. Okay, right. So ID function, it is used to get the unique identification of a value in a variable available in memory. Okay, of a variable in memory. Okay, so it is like an address to a value to which variable object is referring to. So A is referring to 10. Okay, B is referring to 20, C is referring to 30. Okay, right. And one more important point here, space is also one character in a string. So we can use single quotes to represent a string or double quotes to represent a string. So this is how we are supposed to work with objects as data values in Python program. So in Python, every data or every value is considered to be an object. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.